put it in these mason containers, and that's what we use. Okay, so that's it, guys. I gotta check out that video though on how we make those. Hi guys, welcome to Cooking with Meg again. Today, another fantastic day, another day to roll out another exciting content. It's been a couple of days we have not been cooking. So much is happening. It's been hot, nobody wants to cook. It started getting hot, so nobody wants to go in the kitchen back. We didn't have any dinner last night. It was like we're on a fast, kind of fast, and today we just want to come here and show you guys what we're up to. We started decorating our kitchen, our countertop, to make it look a little more of what our cooking countertop should look like. But the heat, and nobody gets further than what you see there, but it's gonna be good once we're finished. Today we're in the kitchen. We want to do a breakfast, very exciting breakfast. Again, it's simple but it's good. Okay, and I should take a snapshot of my countertop. That start looking good, but it's only one thing we have done. I started that little area here to complete it. That's what it's looking like there. But yeah, that's not what this video is about. This video is about, I can't even get it the way I want it yet, and that's why I sort of put away that idea. But yeah, it's gonna be good. Then my lighting, I'm gonna be fixing. I got the things that I need to start it, but I got a little bit busy, so it's still falling out of place, and I still need to work on that. It's beautiful though once you turn it on like now. It's really pretty, so that's an accomplishment. So at least we got 3 things going. We got 1, we got 2, and we got the lighting. 3 things going. So yeah, we want to roll out this breakfast, and then we're going to chit chat with you what we have on our plate for today. Since it's getting really hot, we're going to be doing a lot of pasta dishes, which I think they're just like so quick, and we want to stay away from a lot of carbohydrates though, because carbs really let you put on that weight, and because of the COVID-19, we put on a lot of weight. We started a garden also, which I'm going to give you guys a peek. Actually, some of it is this is our winter. Then down here I have some of these were planted from in the winter, and I'm still working on those. One pot was, I started another pot there, which I still need to complete, but it gets too hot and I just don't want to deal with that. So one of them dying. This one here doesn't look too good, but I found out a way. What I do if they're not feeling well, I sing to them. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. Yeah guys, so that's what we've been doing to them. And this one is not feeling well. We've been singing to it, and now it's at the getting a little sunshine here. So these leaves that are, I have to go in and cut those away and try to figure out why it's not feeling well. But it's looking so much better than yesterday. I want to do a mushroom dish right there sometime later on today, either for brunch or something, supper, I don't know. But I just took it out of the container, and cause I just want them to get some air, dry a little bit. So a number of things on our table to be done, and once these are done, I'm just going to dry them and chop them up for that dinner. I was saying to you guys that that fruit backdrop there, I created it. I put up the tile for my backsplash there, and my countertop I started to decorate. So I started this fruit bowl to complement my border on my backsplash. So I just started that for the decoration before it gets really hot and I have no interest. So that's something I started, very pretty. Then on my counter here, just some of the projects that are coming up. I have some mushrooms that I'm gonna use for supper tonight, dinner. So those mushrooms that I took out and they're on the counter drying at the moment. Over here I started another fruit bowl, but this one is green, so I'm trying to figure out which I'm going to keep on my counter. Actually there are two green fruit bowls that I started. The other one is over there that I'm not so sure where we're going with that one yet. I'm not so sure whether we want to use green or whether we want to use the red. The red is actually very beautiful because it complements the fruit backdrop there that I've installed, which yet to be completed to complement the lighting, which you are seeing. The light is actually shining down here on these fruits. So one light is over here, so it's shining on these fruits here in the fruit bowl. So yeah, we have 3 fruit bowls that we started, and then we went out before the COVID craziness. We went out and we got those nice little countertop decor that it's for actually to hold like scrub pads and all of that, things like this. So those we purchased before the COVID craziness. Over here, I purchased a Japanese kettle on eBay because I want to host a Japanese tea party coming up soon. So that's what you're seeing there. When I saw the picture of it, it looked so beautiful. I thought it was white, and then when I got it was another color, but I don't mind. Over here is my soda fountain, very beautiful, my soda fountain. So that's another project that I'm working on. I want to review that. Really want to review this soda fountain now that the summer is coming up. Very good soda fountain. But really this morning our focus really is on doing a great breakfast, since we'd skipped dinner last night, and so we're going to start this here breakfast. We have packed on the white. Now we want to take it off, so we're going to be making a smoothie. Then it's going to come up for lunch, and we want you guys to come along on that journey too. But now we're going to make the breakfast. This one might make us put on a lot of weight, but we'll see where we go with this one. It's going to be good though. Okay, so on the counter we have some eggs, we have some lemon, we have some green onion, we have some rolls, and we're going to make something fantastic. So let's go, guys. We're going to try to make our egg very fluffy, appetizing, and something you want to eat even if we pack all the way. Woo! So yeah, we're going to be doing a lot of workout and running exercise now that the COVID-19 is sort of on the low, going down. Nobody is dying. Great news, great time. And so yeah, we're going to make this scrambled eggs so fluffy. So let's go. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and run these on the cold water. It's just me. I wash everything that I eat. Now the eggs are washed and they're clean. Since the COVID-19 is just like I don't take chance no more. I wash everything. Okay guys, so we're going to go ahead and break these eggs. Now that we digged in and took out those shells, we're just going to whisk this thoroughly. Okay. When I have a clean countertop, I can think, even if I don't plan my dish, did not plan, which is careless, I still have a beautiful countertop, so I can think as I go. How much weight will I pack on with this? Maybe I would say when it's all over with 3 eggs, a roll. How much weight would I pack on? Let's think about it as we go, guys. Let's get some salt and pepper in, the basic. Okay guys, we cannot do it without your salt and pepper. That's a base for everything, unless you don't use salt. I don't use a lot of salt, just a little, and I try to use like the natural salt, like sea salt and Malayan salt and all of that. I try to stay away from the usual cooking salt, which is the one high in sodium. You need that because you needed sodium for the goiter and all of that. But yeah, I try not to use a lot of salt because salt is not too, intake is not too good for your health. So I found a very, very, very good dry season without salt. It's called Table Blend. I want to share that with you guys. It's one of the best out there. I've never seen another season like this one. It seasons the food. It makes it so tasty. Unless you're in bland food, which I'm not really, but I cook bland because since I'm cooking for a community that's not just my race. My race are spicy people, and we like our food tasty. So yeah, of course, I cook for everybody, universally, globally. Yeah, so if you are vegan, not vegan, bland, tasty, savory, sweet, this is a great, it's by Stone Mill, one of the best out there. It's salt free but seasoning blend, and it has onion, lemon, pepper, salt, all the good things, chili pepper, basil, celery seed, mustard, it's garlic. It's just out of this world. It's so tasty. And I'm just going to go ahead and put a little of this supplementary to my salt and pepper in this dish, okay, since I'm liking it so much. So I'm just going to go ahead and sprinkle in a tad bit of that seasoned blend in. Superfood. Next I'm going to put in my pepper, and the pot is on low heat as we speak. I'm going to go ahead and put a little salt, just a tad bit. If when you're eating and you feel like you need a little bit more, go right ahead, okay? Great. Guys, now that we're on the stove, we're going to drizzle in some vegetable oil, okay, for this one. You don't want a lot, okay, because it's scrambled egg, okay. Okay, now that our egg is right there with this wooden spatula, I'm going to use that to push the egg in and to sort of scramble it. So that's what the reason. I'm going to hoist my camera a little bit so you guys can see what we're doing, and we're going to move our heat back into medium heat. So now we need a kind of crust for this here egg, okay. So I'm going to bring you guys in a little bit closer and let me see if my heat is good. Yeah, we're good to go. So we're going to just pour in this here mixture around and around and around and around, okay. And we want to get every last bit of that. You're looking for a good breakfast means you're looking for a good scrambled egg. That's what I want to say. You start looking for that white around the crust like now. You start moving that in, push that in quickly. I'm going to move my heat back up to low heat, and you're going to keep push in, okay, to make a fluffy egg. That is the key. Keep looking for that little edge there and push that in. Okay guys, I thought I was recording and then I wasn't recording that. All I really do is just to look for the edges and just push that in. Each time I see a little white edge around this meal, I just like push that in. And now we're going to flip this over. And you're going to let it stay on the stove for another approximate 1 more minute, okay, so the back of this can be fully done, okay. Alright, I think we're done. We're done with this egg. Okay guys, so this fluffy delicious egg is actually done, and oh boy, that blend, seasoned blend had me going. It's smelling so great. So this is done. It's hot, it's steamy, it is. Okay guys, so now that this is done, what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and chop some green onions to go with this. Okay, so I'm just going to wash that. And it's just for garnishing actually, but I love green onions, guys. So let's go. guys, so now that's done, we're gonna put some rolls to go with that. Isn't that cute? That is a cute breakfast. That is a cute breakfast, guys. Look at that. That is really a cute breakfast. Really nice, really cute. We are ready to dig in. And that, I know we're going to pack on a little a little weight there because of course no meal last night, so since we didn't do a meal last night, that's going to suffice, guys, for last night and today. And with this here lemon, we're going to make a quick lemonade for this warm summer morning, okay, to go with this breakfast, okay? So let's go, guys. Okay, guys, so we've made the lemonade, and those who have not seen my videos on how to make some fantastic summer lemonades, we have about 3 or 4 videos on this here channel. I'm going to put the, no, actually I don't need, yeah, I could put the link down below. You guys will see how we make summer lemonade. Look at that. Frozen and beautiful lemonade. Guys, you gotta see that video we have up there with different colors. One base but different colors. So this is for breakfast. We just do the same thing just like those videos, only two we didn't use the different fruits in and the lemon we use. So this is a limeade. We have a limeade up there too. This is not real lemonade, this is a limeade. Okay, so please go and check out the video on the limeade, guys. You gotta check this out. You gotta check it out, guys. That's what is gonna be ideal for this summer. Yeah, and the summer months are here. It starts getting warm, and it's a good thing I went ahead and I did that limeade, lemonade, all sorts of strawberry aid, and how to make them, guys. And so we are ready with this here one. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Isn't that cute? And that is our breakfast for this morning, guys. That is the breakfast for this morning. We are going to pack on a little weight, but we don't care. We missed last night, so we're making up today for today. And that is our breakfast, guys. Take that in. Isn't that cute? I cannot begin. And we just put a little sugar, and we actually use the cane sugar, and just a little. So what we do, we bought the cane sugar and we put it in these mason containers, and that's what we use. Okay, so that's it, guys. You gotta check out that video though on how we make those lemonades. Okay, pack them with ice, and there we have lemon, strawberry, limeade, blackberries, all sorts. So right here in the description, check it out below here, guys, right down below.